How to convert currency and units on iPhone calculator. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the calculator application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap the grid icon in the top right corner to view different calculator modes. From the menu that appears, tap on Convert to access the unit conversion interface. The screen will now show two fields for converting units. Tap on a unit name to change it. This opens a list of units organized by categories like currency, data, and length. The tool defaults to currency conversion. Tap on a currency symbol to choose from a comprehensive list of global currencies. Just enter a value in one currency to see it instantly converted to the other. To convert other units, tap the currency symbol and select a category like length from the top. Simply type a number in the top field, and the converted value will instantly appear below. Following these steps, you can easily convert currency and units on the iPhone calculator.